Looks like we have Terrell in Cleveland asking, what should I do if my material catches fire during cutting? Luckily, you would not have left the laser side and you're standing there monitoring your laser cutting. You just pick up your fire extinguisher and put out that fire if needed be. But really, your machine can stop firing one of a few different ways. There's emergency stop on all the machines. On the Pro, it's a big red button you can smash. On the Muse, it's on the LCD screen. There's also the touch button on the LCD screen, on the physical button on the Muse on the top, which you can press that once to pause the job, press and hold it to stop it, or you can always hit the power button, which is a very easy fail-safe way to turn off the laser. But like I said, you always want to have a fire extinguisher close, and you always want to be monitoring your laser cut for sure.
Yeah, a lot of times I notice that it's not a fire really. It starts smoldering, right?
Smoldering or a flame up, right? So like you'll notice as you cut along the edge, you'll have that black burnt section, and that's usually what the issue is.